Oftentimes when I'm coaching speech therapists or parents, I notice a trend. Adults are the ones doing all the talking. One strategy I use the most is pausing. You simply set up a routine where a child is expecting something to happen and then pause and wait for communication. Let me give you an example. Imagine your child wants to be picked up. You can use the phrase 1, 2, 3, up, and then pick the child up. Do this a few times to set up the routine. Then start the routine by saying 1, 2, 3, and then pause and wait, longer than you think you need to. Magic happens while you're waiting for your child to respond. The child is expecting something to happen and now has to problem solve to get the desired outcome of being picked up. And giving children this space is what encourages eye contact, engagement, and teaches children how to communicate more independently to get what they want.